15 August Bitcoin market update. Welcome to YY Wonderland. So if you like my video, please press like and also subscribe to the channel. Right, I was away for about 2 days over the weekend, so let's just dive right into the Bitcoin chart on a weekly chart first. All right, weekly chart we are still above the 20 EMA, very healthy. Daily chart, daily time frame, we are also above the 20 EMA and we are also above the 10 EMA. All right, so very healthy at the moment. So let's look at the 1 hour chart for now. 1 hour chart, over the weekend there was some upward movement, which I have also told you on my last video, right? Eventually Bitcoin came up to the 48,000 range, right? So hit my target. Okay, so for the Fibonacci chart, I have made some adjustment on the settings. So okay, so basically it will be a bit different from my previous video onwards. All right, so now if you look at the Fibonacci, taking here as the bottom, all right, up to about here. All right, so this was the top, bottom, and then where we are right now, we met the target at the 1.414. okay, all right, we broke through 48,000 on I think on Saturday night. Okay, so basically just look at the white line here right now. I just talk about this white line first. Okay, for this white line at the bottom here, remember I talked about this on my last video where it got supported here, supported here, supported here. That's why I'm having this white line over here. Okay, so let's look at the upper white line. Okay, the upper white line, I drew the upper white line because it got over here, it got resisted. Okay, got supported, got supported, got supported over here, and then here it kind of broke off. All right, got supported over here, right, and eventually came down here. So basically this is why I draw the white line at the upper white line. Okay, so the blue line, if you remember, is serve as a very strong support over here, and hopefully we would see some support over here. Okay, then on the blue line over here, blue line, I drew the blue line because of the support over here, support over here. Okay, the lower blue line, and the upper blue line is basically I just take it as we came down, then we broke off here and over here, right? So yeah, there's a lot of lines right now, but yeah. Okay, so where is Bitcoin heading to at this point of time? All right, let's just move this over here. Okay, for the time being, Bitcoin is now over here at this white line here. So the target is actually this range, so it's actually 45,000 for me. All right, but of course we have this famous blue line over here, so I hope that this area will serve as a very good support. Okay, so I do hope to see Bitcoin. You can see this is a 618, so they got a bounce here, so I hope that Bitcoin will get a bounce here, and you can see at this hour it creeps up a bit, testing the white line on top. Okay, so let me just zoom up. Yeah, so basically if Bitcoin is to lose 44,562, then I the last one is the blue line support here at about 45,339. Okay, so in the event if Bitcoin loses this range and also the 45,000 range, then I do see Bitcoin coming down to about 43,800, this range. Okay, I have a red line over here which I will show you later on. Okay, so if Bitcoin is to come up here, I need Bitcoin to break this white line, and then eventually we will move upwards or even do a sideways movement above the 47,000 mark. Okay, so if you look at the red line, this red line is actually drawn according to the movement of Bitcoin since the reversal of the trend down at 21st July. So it's all the way up, And why was this line drawn? Because okay, this is the part, all right, and then we got a dip over here, we touched the line, so this red line was drawn. Okay, so basically if Bitcoin is to actually fall down from the if Bitcoin is to lose support from the 45,000 mark, I do see Bitcoin coming down to 43,800, where they will most likely meet this red line. Okay, so if it in the event if we lose this red line, then I will see Bitcoin at about 42,000 mark, this range. Okay, all right, so that's the short-term target for Bitcoin on the downside. All right, on the downside. So if it's on the upside wise, is still the 1.618, okay, which is at 48,600. Okay, so basically we could be seeing doing the retracement like this, then bounce up like this, then after going up to 48,600. all right, so yeah, this is on the upside. Okay, upside target is still 48,600. okay, so I don't think we could have a blast pass to 50k. Hopefully when it came up to 48,600, Bitcoin could do a consolidation or sideways movement, all right, before the next leg up. Okay, so yeah, so let's take a look at the RSI. RSI on the weekly, yeah, is still healthy. All right, on stock RSI also. So on the daily, daily wise, we do have a bearish diversion. I would say a hidden bearish diversion, whereby the RSI is on the way down, but the price movement is on the way up. Okay, so just do take note, right? So on the 4 hour, we are kind of below my yellow line here. So hopefully, yeah, it's about the same level. Okay, hopefully it doesn't go down, okay, further. So hopefully it would actually come back up to this yellow line. And stock RSI is quite low right now. So 1 hour wise, we are looking more on the upside, going up. Stock RSI also, right? So what I can see is that there could be a small chance that Bitcoin could actually creep up, break this 786, okay, break it, go up, and then eventually break this white line and 47,000, right? Then I hope to see them hovering sideways before the next up to 48,600. okay, so yeah, so this is both upside and downside target. All right, so yeah, do take care. If you look at the other chart here, okay, remember I talked about Bitcoin getting his head hit here, right? Of course, because the Fibonacci, I have changed my settings, so now this is become the 0.618. I know my previous Fibonacci down here should be the 0.5, okay, but now is I've changed it to 618, right? So in the event if Bitcoin is to lose this 618 or get it hit over at the resistance here, it is normal to come down, right? Normal to come down. And like I say, I don't really want Bitcoin to actually touch this for the 3,000 mark here. Okay, I think a bounce off at about 44 would be fine for me, right? Okay, so yeah, that's about it for today. Yeah, I just came back home, so yeah, all right, take care, bye bye.